Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic.
Hi friends, today we can check even number and odd numbers using scanner class. Using scanner class. This is Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Now we can check the even numbers, odd numbers using scanner class. Using scanner class. Now create one class. Now create one class. Here check even, odd. Check even and odd. First create main method. Inside main method, create scanner. Create scanner. C is equal to new scanner dot in. Now int value equal to c dot extend. Now value modulo of 2 equal to 0, then this is out. Value is a even number, else copy paste this one. Odd number, check the output. Right click the program, select Java application. See, now we can give any value 3, enter. 3 is a odd number. Before this one I will do one more. This one, this is out. I'm removing ln, enter the value. Now here finally you can close the SC. Now again you can run the program. So here asking enter the value. You can click 4. 4 is a even number. Otherwise you can click another. Then again you can run. Click 5. Enter. 5 is a odd number. Yes. Now see how to check even number and odd number. Now we can create even numbers. We can display even number and odd number using scan class. Using scanner class. How to create even number and odd number using scanner class. See, I will create one more class here. Even add example. Now first I will create main method. Here scanner. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Here space system dot in. Now before this one I will create sys out. I am removing this one. Enter the value. Here, hello, int I is equal to 0, I less than equal to s, sorry, c, okay, sc dot next int I plus plus. Now if I syntax 2 equal to 0, before I am doing one thing here, string even equal to like this, string odd equal to empty value like this. Now even is equal to even plus I plus, else odd equal to odd plus I plus, now display the values even numbers, uneven. Similarly, odd numbers, odd. Finally, C dot cross. Now run this program. 30. And hence you can check why this is not working. Here int value you can write like this, sc dot next int. Now try this one, value. Now try this one. See. So here is display. Again you can try 30. Again we can try 30. See. Like this, using scanner class, you can create the you can create the even and odd numbers. You can display even and odd numbers. Thank you, friends. Could you please subscribe my channel, my YouTube channel? Could you please subscribe? Could you please subscribe my YouTube channel? Could you please click bell icon? Could you please share my videos? This is Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Could you please help me? Any queries or any related programs, related Java technology, any queries or any questions? Could you please comment below video? Comment below my video. Oh, I have website also. Could you please open Jaladhi Soft Technology blog is there? You can type in Google Jaladhi Tech Soft Technology. It will display my website. Could you please open and check the Java programs? All are available. Java programs all are available. Could you please check and could you please help me about my channel and my website? Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.